guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So we've got a video review for you on the Amumu Capo. This is the FC10 for 6 and 12 string acoustic and electric guitars. So it's not specific. So this was sent to me to check out, and check out my other videos too. I've got a few up on some guitar straps that they sent me to check, as well as a really nice guitar tuner. So anyways, just reading the back here, for 6 and 12 string guitars, ukuleles, and banjos. Lightweight aircraft grade aluminum alloy, quick change with one-hand operation, buzz-free and in-tune performance on all frets, patent spring structure design. Very cool. Well, let's see how well it works, because anyone who knows me knows I'm really picky on capos. Well, I like the color, which is cool. The string feels pretty strong. Pad material, it's not too soft and it's not too stiff. And it's got a nice pad back here to protect the back of your neck. So, let's check this out. First fret's always the truth teller. Now, can it repeat? Staying on pitch right. You would know to listen to your chords if the capo is squeezing too hard, because you got to watch a lot of frets nowadays, because the taller they get, you start squashing on them. If you squash too hard, it brings your pitch up, and it brings it up enough that you can actually hear your guitar playing out of tune on chords. That's still pretty clean. Bring her up a little higher. Okay. That was my boo-boo. Hard to do an F down there. I usually don't use a capo that high up. Let's go for repeat performance on the first. Stays pretty stable. That's good. I like that. And it's more than wide enough or long enough on the bill to fit your 12 string, so that's good. Well, anybody who wants a 4 3/4 out of me, they're going to get it, because I think this is a good capo. I've paid a lot of money for capos. I've paid very little, like $2 for a capo, and of course stay away from the $2 ones, because they are garbage. But this one here, this is really good. It's nowhere near as expensive as my Kaiser, but it's definitely a really good capo. The spring is strong, which is what you want. You know, you want a good strong spring, and it just goes on so nice. And I like the curve. You know, this is a feature that my Kaiser doesn't have. That curve forms to the neck, so it gives a more even clamp to everything by the time everything squishes in. You know, so that's good. I can still get to a B7 without hurting my hands. Cool. Love it. Check them out. Amumu Capos. Check out their straps. Hey, if you need a new ukulele, check that too. They got some really nice ones. Okay. Among other goodies they got for the musicians, they even have guitar cords too. If you need a new cable for your guitar to your amp, they got those amp cords. Pretty cool. And if I remember right, well, they got a lot of other stuff, so just check them out. Check them out, guys. Great company. Good products too. Very nice. Very impressed with that. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.